Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the mutual induction, for which I have made a diagram here. First, what is mutual induction? So mutual induction is the phenomenon of production of induced EMF in a coil as a result of change in current in the neighboring coil. Means if we change the current in this primary coil, due to change in primary coil, a current induces in the second coil, and this phenomenon is known as mutual induction, for which we have considered two coils. First is called primary and second is called secondary. The coil are placed very close to each other. This coil P is connected with a battery and a key, whereas the coil S is connected to a galvanometer to detect the presence of current. Now what happens when we switch on this key? A current start flowing in the circuit in this direction. As the current start increasing in the primary coil P, due to this the magnetic field around the coil P changes. So the magnetic flux linked with this coil S also changes, and we know that the change in magnetic flux through the coil S induces an EMF in the secondary coil. Because the coil is closed, so a current start flowing in the secondary coil. It was observed by this galvanometer, or we can detect the presence of current by this galvanometer, and this phenomenon of inducing EMF is called mutual mutual induction. Now we know that as the current I flows through this primary coil, then the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil is proportional. The magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil, let it is phi. So phi is directly proportional to I. I means the current flowing through this primary coil, or from here we will get phi is equals to Mi. Here M is the constant of proportionality, which is also known as coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance. Now if I is equals to 1, then M is equals to phi. This means that coefficient of mutual induction of two coils is numerically equal to amount of magnetic flux linked with one coil when unit current flows through the neighboring coil. This is the coefficient of mutual inductance, which is equals to phi when the current flowing in the neighboring coil is of 1 unit. Now, from the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, we know that E is equals to minus d phi upon dt, or E is equals to minus d upon dt of phi is equals to mi. So E is equals to minus m di upon dt. This is the induced EMF in secondary coil. Now if we take di upon dt is equals to 1, then E is equals to minus m, or m is equals to E. From this we can also state a definition of mutual induction, or the coefficient of mutual induction. So in this case, the coefficient of mutual induction of two coils is numerically equal to the induced EMF in one coil when the rate of change of current is unity in the neighboring coil. The unit of mutual induction is Henry, and its dimension is ml2 t minus 2 a minus